Hi, welcome to Amazing Nano, bringing you big things from a tiny world. Traditional sunscreen usually leaves a chalky layer on the skin, but not nano-enhanced product. Just wait and see. Now, thanks to nanotechnology, due to the very small size of zinc oxide and titanium dioxide nanoparticles, sunscreen is transparent and less greasy. Ever since the ultra-tiny version was invented to make sunscreen transparent, nanoparticles have been used in other cosmetic products such as moisturizer and anti-aging cream. Welcome to the nanoscale world of beauty. I'm Amir Rahim, your Amazing Nano host. The human skin is the largest organ in the body. A skin layer called stratum corneum functions as the primary barrier in the skin. With nanotechnology, ultrafine mists from a facial steamer pumps out nano-ionic water particles have been proven more effective for skin penetration for a deep cleansing, while hair steamer goes in deeper into hair cuticle better than non-nano steamer. Having a beautiful and glowing skin is everyone's dream, and with the emergence of nanotechnology in beauty products, it promised to fulfill every consumer's demand. The use of nanotechnology has stretched across various streams of science, from electronics to medicine, and has now found application in the field of cosmetics. Cosmetic companies and institutes have engaged in ongoing research to discover new nanotechnology applications in major skin problems and maintaining good skin health. Nanotechnology-based cosmetics use special nanoscale materials to form a humectant layer on top of the skin. This primarily limits excessive water loss through the skin while keeping the skin moist thanks to the humectant layer. The efficiency and longevity of nanotechnology-based skin moisturizers are much higher compared to conventional products. The widespread use of nanoparticles in cosmetics is due to its advantages, including improved UV protection, stronger structure, improved texture, and longer shelf life. For example, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide sized at 20 nanometers are used as efficient UV filters in sunscreen products, while 40 nanometers to 100 nanometers in diameter of vitamins and nutrients help achieve deeper absorption into your skin cells. Nano cosmetics is aimed at products intended for the application to the face and body with the capability to penetrate deeper into the layers of the skin. In the cosmetic industries, nanoparticles are present in anti-wrinkle cream, moisturizers, facial powders, conditioners, shampoo, soap, and makeup products. It is becoming increasingly popular as a vehicle for controlled release and optimized dispersion of active ingredients. Working closely with the National Nanotechnology Center (NNC), SIRIM Berhad enables further research and development competency and provides capability to create awareness among the industries and society on the usage, application, and safety of nanotechnology. So tell us briefly about your organization in the nanotech industry.
IBRC ventures in nanotechnology research related to the development of herbal and marine bioactive in cosmeceutical product, where bioactive transform to nano-sized particle to enhance skin penetration and delivery to the targeted site. The trend towards therapeutic cosmetic will lead to a better understanding of modern ingredients to cater to skincare formulation with real consumer acceptance, with product claims supported by scientific data. Those to optimize sensory attribute formulator are resorting to nanotechnology until recently was exclusively used in cosmetic products.
Their R&D towards producing a good skincare delivery system has encouraged SMEs to take up nanotechnology and to commercialize their products with assurance of its safety and efficiency. So what is the advantage of having nanotechnology in a product?
It will improve the skin penetration to the stratum corneum, outer layer of the skin epidermis, act as a skin barrier. So it will design to remain or retain in the skin epidermis and dermis to give optimum therapeutic effect from the cosmetic product.
The interactions between creams and nanoparticles were studied with respect to their influence on particle sizes, polydisperity index, zeta potential, encapsulating efficiency, and the Franz cell study was well evaluated. These studies were conducted and designed to find a safe and efficient delivery system. Today, the cosmetic industry is the 6th largest industry holder in nanotechnology. This tiny scale has transfigured the treatment of several skin issues. We'll be back after these messages to explore the beauty world with nanotechnology. I'm back with more exciting insights on nanotechnology in the beauty world. The Industrial Biotechnology Research Center, also known as IBRC at SIRIM, is home to highly competent researchers undertaking the research and development activities both in the strategic research for the government and applied research for industries. So why is nano R&D is important in cosmeceutical?
Nano R&D technology was actually initiated and experimented to produce a better delivery system. We have actually developed different types of encapsulation systems such as niosome, ethosome, nano emulsion, nano dispersion, which we have already formulated products. And one of the products is NLC, that is nano lipid carrier system, which we have developed and made it into a product and which is selling very well in the market. This product is actually used for topical use to actually enhance the delivery of the active into the skin system.
The cosmetics industry has invested heavily in nanotechnology. New products now claim to penetrate deeper into the skin or to have other benefits. So can you list down the nanotech products that you have?
We have initiated 4 products already in the market, such as PhytoNLC Active Cell Repair, Multi-Action Hydration Serum. These are all formulated to prevent skin aging, wrinkles, sebum and hyperpigmentation. With the patented nano-structured lipid carrier delivery system, it improves bioactive penetration for instant result. The other product that we have developed is also Seaweed Phytosome, Knaf Nano Carrier Oil and BioPolytech Nano Bioactive. It is a nano dispersion extract used for hair growth and hair well-being product line.
Nano-based cosmeceutical products have been developed through extensive R&D studies utilizing several grants for the industries. Currently, the requirements for nano-based cosmeceutical products is, according to the National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency, NPRA's requisite for chemicals, as there are no specific regulatory criteria for nano-based products. The safety evaluation of nanoparticles is according to the test guidelines for chemicals. In general, nanoparticles can be categorized into 2 groups. The first group, soluble and/or biodegradable nanoparticles that disintegrate upon application to the skin into their molecular component. For example, nanoemulsion, liposome, and nanodispersion. And in the second group, insoluble or biopersistent particles. For example, titanium oxide, and quantum dot. The nanoparticles used in nano-based cosmetics is categorized under the first group, which is soluble nanoparticles with a negligible to minimal systematic risk. Nanoparticles of known active ingredients is considered as a new entity and requires a thorough evaluation, even though the properties of its origins are known. We have Dr. Nurul Izzah with us. She is the senior researcher at IBRC. Hi, doctor. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Okay, can you please tell us about the safety procedure at IBRC?
About the safety procedure at IBRC, since we are dealing with the preparation of nanomaterial and nano formulation with a size of 100 to 200 nanometer, so we have to be very vigilant in terms of safety. Therefore, this material should be tested with various test methods which are validated, such as the chemical, biological, and safety characterization and evaluation.
So what kind of nanoproduct testing procedure that you've done here at IBRC?
In terms of the selection of testing method for nanomaterials, we have to ensure that we know the particle size, the size of the nanomaterials, the behavior, the mechanism and application of the nanomaterial, so that we can identify which are the suitable tests. So therefore, in general, nanomaterial is known as chemicals. So it should be tested using validated, harmonized chemical testing procedures. However, for cosmetic application, it is less stringent compared to chemical. In terms of the test for nano-based cosmetic, normally we test using the in vitro test, such as the skin and eye irritation. Is actually using the human reconstructed epidermal model, which is a validated test to identify the irritancy of the sample. These tests are conducted using human epidermal tissue and alternative to animal testing. This is because animal testing for cosmetic is banned by most of the regulatory bodies worldwide.
Currently, the origin and ingredient of the nanoparticles developed in the IBRC laboratory for industrial uses are safe and categorized as ingredients for cosmetic or herbal products that have been tested for its safety and efficiency in accordance to validated testing methods. So what is the latest development for safety assessment at IBRC?
The latest development of safety assessment, for that, currently we are developing a number of in vivo and in vitro testing methods for safety assessment, particularly for nanomaterials. So this conducted together with the implementer, the agencies, and also the regulatory bodies. Among the tests that we develop is the in vitro and in vivo dermal and oral irritation test and toxicity test, as well as the inhalation test, which is for detection of effect of nanomaterials toward respiratory tract, such as nanomaterial in aerosol.
Nanotechnology R&D is on the rise in the beauty industry. Small particles are now big business for cosmeceutical manufacturers. And the global study shows an expansion in nanotechnology-based cosmetic brands with Japan, China, and Korea as key growth markets. In Malaysia, this technology has been utilized and commercialized by a local cosmetic company called SIRIM Berhad. See you after the break. Smooth skin and a glowing complexion. When nanotechnology entered the cosmetic world, it promised to bring an improved performance and an aesthetical results. Cosmetic giants are rushing to incorporate nanoparticles in their product processing to offer a nano-enhanced product. Now, with the incorporation of nanotechnology in cosmetic on the rise, here we will talk to a cosmetic manufacturer. Established in 2002, SIRIM Emas is structured around the fundamental notion that all herbal active ingredients using innovative technologies backed by science will maximize the incredible bioactive power. Benefiting from local native plants with their nourishing, purifying, and skin healing capabilities, this helps contribute towards the efficiency and quality of their beauty products. With the latest collaboration with SIRIM Berhad, SIRIM Emas is continuously involved in researching and developing herbal products that take advantage of natural biological processes. The revolution they started is apparent from the fact that cosmetics are no longer visualized as products that covers up imperfection in personal appearance. The latest trend is to combine clinically proven ingredients with patented delivery system and the aesthetics for fine cosmetics.
Welcome, Amir.
Thank you.
Okay. So this is our small team doing R&D in-house R&D team. So basically we do have in-house R&D team, but we choose to collaborate with certain agency in Malaysia like SIRIM for their advanced expertise. So we can do more better products and innovative product in the future.
Curcuma xanthorrhiza, also popularly known as temulawak, is the main bioactive ingredient that has been developed in their latest product. This is a natural whitening product using the nanotech process. So how does the serum work naturally?
Okay. The serum works naturally actually by two ways. I can say it's two ways. One is from the active ingredient itself, because we took from plant, and the plant is actually from ginger species. One. Second thing is actually from the patented technology itself. So the technology, we call it nanolipid carrier, using nanolipid carrier to enhance the penetration of the ingredients into our skin. So once the molecule become nano, it's actually very small particle, so it's easier for us to absorb in the skin.
So what's the process reaction?
Process reaction actually, once we use once we use the serum at night, because the nanoparticle technology, in the morning, instantly we can feel our skin softer, smoother. So what we can say is the technology make it possible for the ingredients or the benefit of the ginger species just now penetrate to the skin, the deepest layer in our skin.
So fast results within 24 hours.
Fast result within 24 hours. So it's really amazing. That's why this patented technology by SIRIM won a few awards internationally and locally.
That's good. That's really amazing. So what does this machine do?
Yeah, this machine is actually for the final product production. We do the nanoparticle process actually in SIRIM. In SIRIM itself, because we don't have the equipment to make it nano, so we took the extract, the already nanoparticle process in SIRIM, then we bring here to do the final products. So we're using this machine called homogenizer.
Better penetration for skin hydration, activates new cells, controls and stabilizes the sebum on the skin are among the obvious difference between a nano-based product with a non-nano ones. In fact, you can easily notice the whitening effect within 24 hours. Now that's impressive. So why do you choose to apply nanotechnology in your products?
Why nanotechnology? Very interesting question. Why nanotechnology?
Yes.
Because our research, previous research in Xanzwhite bioactive is proven to brightening the skin, brightening, hydration, anti-aging. But we use nanotechnology to enhance the result, for faster result, for smoother skin. So we use nanotechnology for that.
Okay, so what other messages would you like to convey to the public regarding the advantages of nanotechnology?
Okay, the advantage, of course, there is a lot of advantages of nanotechnology. Okay, people used to choose chemical products, the example, for faster result. So now we have option. We have several products with nanotechnology. You get the same result. It's a faster result. It's a better result. And of course, the most important thing is safe for consumer.
Amazing.
So here we do the process of packaging. After we process this now, we do filling process and then packaging. And our QC will check everything before we sell the products to consumer. So it's not only the technology that we take care of, we also have to make sure the process is according to GMP, good manufacturing process.
Pharmaceuticals and consumers could benefit greatly from nanotechnology. The techniques acquired in nanotechnology could play an important role for the future of cosmeceutical industries. In this episode, we briefly brought to you the widespread influence of nanotechnology in the cosmetic industries is due to the enhanced properties attained by the particles at the nano level. Nanotechnology R&D was initiated by SIRIM to produce a better delivery system in cosmetic products, and how nanotechnology in cosmetics can help to increase the aesthetic appeal of a product. Until we meet again next time in the next episode of Amazing Nano and discover the amazing impacts of nanotechnology in our daily life. Goodbye.